2006 Mitsubishi Colt CZT. Had the car for just over a year now. When I first bought the car, it came with some 17-inch Fox racing wheels, which you see I've now swapped over and got some genuine Buddy Club P1s, 16x8 ET17s with some 808 RS on the front and some 808R on the rear. I've got some H&R lowering springs dropped by 35mm. Could definitely come down some more on the rear, some coilovers in the future. We've got some polybush drop links and some anti-roll bar bushes, all provided by Dynodaze, as well as the yellow stuff, EBC pads and discs all around. Got some hell braided lines in there too, so if you see those. Onto the engine bay, first thing you notice probably the blue hoses and the manifold. So these are the Dynodaze full silicon hose kit, includes the radiator hoses. Got the Dynodaze tubular manifold, as well as the Colt Speed engine cover, which I bought from a member in the group. These are getting hard to come by now, so glad I got it, but needs a respray, as you can see there. Bit of brake fluid, numpty did that. Got the Dorenza radiator. So that's about it engine wise. We've got a stage 2 extreme paddle clutch with a light and flywheel, and then coming round, nothing really crazy on the inside. I've got Kia's racing steering wheel with a double DIN head unit installed. That came with the car when I bought it in 2020. I've decided to take the rear seats out. It makes it a little bit quicker. It's, yeah, definitely something to do, but I need to put a rear anti-roll bar in there, give it a bit more stability. Love the car to bits. I got Scorpion catback. I got some pink 565cc injectors ready to go in, but need to get those mapped in. I got a bigger fuel pump in there at the moment, but yeah, again, needs to be mapped in. Next up, I will be doing a gearbox rebuild, putting a Quaife LSD in there, taking out the cats, doing front mount intercooler, and then pretty much going to be ready to go up to Dynodaze to get mapping. Need to do the turbo as well, but that won't be done until the day it gets mapped. But yeah, just about sums up my Colt CZT. It's my first car. It's a work in progress, but I love it to bits, and it makes me smile every time.